Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'll make a tutorial how to make omelet. Yeah, omelet. This is the variation of Indomie. And what you need is here. For the ingredients, you need 2 eggs, then you need oil, you need water, okay, water, then you need this is the main ingredients, Indomie. Okay, this is called Indomie because this is from Indonesia. So yeah, and for the equipment you need stove, you need spatula, spoon, okay, spoon, mug, filter, then you need pan, then you need this called Teflon, and yeah, so you need this called plate, you need plate. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the first step. First you need to heat the water. Get the water into this pan first. Okay, like this, then put it in, then turn on the stove and heat until the water boil. Okay, while waiting the water boil, while we waiting for the water boil, separate the Indomie from the spices. Okay, yeah, and here is the noodles. Okay, just wait this water until boil. Okay, so, okay, because the water is boiled, add the noodles into this boiled water. Okay, just wait until the noodles are soft. Yeah, while we waiting the noodles soft, while waiting the noodles soft, break this egg and then put it in this mug. Okay, Then we mix. And yeah, we just wait until the noodles cook. Okay. Okay, after the noodles are cooked, strain the noodles from the water and then mix it with the seasoning. Yeah. Okay, after that, mix the noodles with the egg. And then mix it. Okay, after that we prepare this. Okay. Prepare the teflon and then add some oil. This oil. There. Lay down. This guys. yeah, once this omelet, this is the result, serve it into a plate. Okay. Iya, gosong, mantap.
Maybe this one not perfect, but this is so very delicious.
Okay, yeah, this is the result. The omelet is not perfect, okay, but this so delicious. This delicious. Okay, I'll try it. Okay.
Waduh.
It's so good, so good. You have to try it at home, okay? And yeah, this is the video how to make omelet from me. Hope you guys can make much better than me, okay? Dan yeah, I think that's enough. Bye. See you.